Theta value equivalent to 11.8301 rands a coin. The present cost range 11.1450 to 11.9307. The earlier day close 11.4224. The change was plus 0.4077, plus 3.57%. Reverse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost 10.96 rands, high 11.73, low 10.19. Theta figure on Monday, June 19, cost 10.61 rands, high 11.35, low 9.87. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost 10.71 rands, high 11.46, low 9.96. Theta figure on Wednesday, June 21, cost 10.46 rands, high 11.19, low 9.73. In multi-week Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost 9.15 rands, high 9.79, low 8.51. Theta figure on Friday, June 23, cost 8.91 rands, high 9.53, low 8.29. Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 8.89 rands, high 9.51, low 8.27. Theta conjecture on Tuesday, June 27, cost 8.33 rands, high 8.91, low 7.75. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28, cost 8.49 rands, high 9.08, low 7.90. In about 14 days Theta conjecture on Thursday, June 29, cost 7.83 rands, high 8.38, low 7.28. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost 7.81 rands, high 8.36, low 7.26. Theta conjecture on Monday, July 3, cost 7.78 rands, high 8.32, low 7.24. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4, cost 7.86 rands, high 8.41, low 7.31. Theta conjecture on Wednesday, July 5, cost 7.86 rands, high 8.41, low 7.31. In 3 weeks Theta cost expectation on Thursday, July 6, cost 7.45 rands, high 7.97, low 6.93. Theta conjecture on Friday, July 7, cost 7.75 rands, high 8.29, low 7.21. Theta cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 7.68 rands, high 8.22, low 7.14. Theta gauge on Tuesday, July 11, cost 7.88 rands, high 8.43, low 7.33. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 7.90 rands, high 8.45, low 7.35. In about a month Theta gauge on Thursday, July 13, cost 7.93 rands, high 8.49, low 7.37. Theta cost forecast on Friday, July 14, cost 7.97 rands, high 8.53, low 7.41. Theta gauge on Monday, July 17, cost 7.78 rands, high 8.32, low 7.24. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place cost at 16.44 rands, exorbitant cost 18.65, while low cost 7.26. The middle value of cost 12.54. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 7.81, change for June 52.5%. Theta figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 7.81 rands, excessive cost 8.53, while low cost 6.10. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7.25. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 6.56. Change for July 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 6.56 rands, excessive cost 6.56, while low cost 5.55. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6.16. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 5.97, change for August 9.0%. Theta figure for September 2023. Initially cost at 5.97 rands, excessive cost 6.23, while low cost 5.41. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.86. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 5.82, change for September 2.5%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at 5.82 rands, excessive cost 5.82, while low cost 4.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.43. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 5.23, change for October 10.1%. Theta gauge for November 2023. To start with cost at 5.23 rands, exorbitant cost 6.45, while low cost 5.23. To found the middle value of cost 5.74. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 6.03, change for November 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 6.03 rands, exorbitant cost 7.48, while low cost 6.03. The found the middle value of cost 6.63. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 6.99, change for December 15.9%. Theta gauge for January 2024. To start with cost at 6.99 rands, exorbitant cost 6.99, while low cost 5.46. The found the middle value of cost 6.33. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 5.87, change for January 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at 5.87 rands, excessive cost 5.87, while low cost 4.58. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.31. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.93, change for February 16.0%. Theta conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 4.93 rands, excessive cost 5.78, while low cost 4.93. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.26. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.40, change for spring 9.5%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 5.40 rands, excessive cost 5.69, while low cost 4.95. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.34. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 5.32, change for April 1.5%. Theta conjecture for May 2024. Before all else cost at 5.32 rands, excessive cost 5.32, while low cost 4.42. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.95. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 4.75, change for May 10.7%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at 4.75 rands, excessive cost 5.80, while low cost 4.75. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 5.18. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 5.42, change for June 14.1%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0845 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0838 minus 0.0897. The earlier days nearby 0.0875. Change for now 0.0030, 3.43%. ZAR to Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Theta gauge on Friday, June 16, cost 0.091 coins, high 0.098, low 0.085. ZAR to Theta forecast on Monday, June 19, cost 0.094 coins, high 0.101, low 0.088. Rand to Theta figure on Tuesday, June 20, cost 0.093 coins, high 0.1.